Hello, today we're in Derby again. We're going to have a look at the Museum of Making, the Museum and Art Gallery, Pickford's House, and then Derby Cathedral. Derby Museum and Art Gallery features a variety of exhibits showcasing the history and culture of Derby and its surrounding areas, including natural history, archaeology and fine art. The museum houses a collection of over 300,000 artefacts, including objects from ancient Egypt and artefacts from Derby's industrial past. The art gallery features a permanent collection of paintings and sculptures, as well as temporary exhibitions throughout the year. The museum also offers educational programs, guided tours and workshops for visitors of all ages. The Derby Silk Mill is sited by the River Derwent. Originally built in the early 1700s and the world's first fully automated factory, it was later used as a cotton mill and engineering factory before being turned into a museum in the 1970s. It features exhibits on the history of industry in Derbyshire, including working machinery and examples of items produced in the area. The Derby Silk Mill also hosts workshops and events for visitors, making it a popular destination for those interested in the region's industrial heritage. Pickford House Museum was built in 1770 by the architect Joseph Pickford and originally served as his family home. Today the museum houses a collection of Georgian furniture and decorative arts, providing a glimpse into the lifestyle of the wealthy in the 18th century. Visitors can explore the original kitchen, dining room, drawing room and bedrooms of the Pickford family, as well as the gardens outside. The museum also hosts a range of events and activities throughout the year, including workshops, talks and exhibitions. Derby Cathedral's history dates back to the 9th century when a church was founded on the site. The current building, apart from the tower, was constructed in the 18th century and is a fine example of Gothic architecture. It was built around the tower, which was raised in the early 16th. The cathedral is a popular tourist attraction and a place for worship. The interior features stunning stained glass windows and intricate carvings. Visitors can also see the tomb of Bess of Hardwick, a prominent figure in Elizabethan society. The cathedral hosts regular events, including concerts and exhibitions.